So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to message Dasher on DoorDash. So first of all, download the DoorDash app. After that, open it up. You will need to log in using your email and password. After that, you can see home, grocery, shopping, browse, and me. I suggest you click on me, and from here you can see your orders, try DashPass, settings, profile, and rewards. Now clicking on your orders. If you see your order being late or something problematic like that, you can contact Dasher support, but it's going to go through them. You can't actually directly message the Dasher. If they contact you, then you can, and you can do that by going to your notifications. So by clicking on here in the top right corner, you can see some notifications on there. And if you turn your notifications and preferences on, you can receive messages. You can also go to Dasher on here and contact Dasher support, and you can talk with that Dasher support. So that's mainly a support system within the Dasher community. So the people who are delivery people for DoorDash, but you can also do it through here. If you have some issues with your delivery, you can see once your Dasher has been assigned, and you can contact them through going to me and finding the orders list on there. So that's about it. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on DoorDash or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.